Let's go ahead and understand how CTA is calculated. CTA is essentially the sum of every GL account balance in every subsidiary in your NetSuite environment, multiplied by its respective consolidated exchange rate. By way of example, imagine you have a Canadian dollar trial balance in your NetSuite environment, and you need to convert that trial balance into the consolidated currency of US dollar. Now your Canadian dollar trial balance will net to zero, as all trial balances should. But now imagine taking each of those balances, multiplying them by different consolidated exchange rates to get to a US dollar trial balance. Would you expect that trial balance to net to zero? Well, you shouldn't. In fact, the only case where it should net to zero is when each of the consolidated exchange rates, the current rate, the average rate, and the historical rate, are using the exact same exchange rate. As such, the USD trial balance will not net to zero. The difference is actually the CTA. It's the delta on that USD trial balance. Now, an important note here is that the CTA account is separate from the CTA elimination account. In fact, the CTA elimination account balance is the delta between intercompany GL accounts that have been eliminated. In other words, the CTA elimination balance is generated when we run the elimination process in NetSuite. CTA is different and it's generated when we run our consolidation process.